Welcome to the program Improving Thinking Skills the M.M. Patel Way. In this program, we will understand concepts related to thinking skills, measurement of thinking skills using well-defined parameters, methods and techniques of improving thinking skills, and finally, exercises to improve thinking skills. Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos. Having undergone the conceptual part of the program Improving Thinking Skills and also having undergone about 75% of the exercises, now we come to part 04-19, that is exercise decision making frames. In this part, you will have 10 exercises. Each exercise will take about 15 minutes time. In each exercise, you will be given a specific situation. You are required to 1. Choose about 10 decision making frames. 2. Propose actions as follows: immediate, short, medium and long term, obvious actions, creative and out of the box actions. You may also mention expected outcome of your actions. Complete all the exercises and you will find the improvements in your analytical and decision making abilities. You will also gain on your ability to anticipate outcome of your actions. Let us go to the exercises now. Exercise 1. The situation is: you are head of Department of Marketing of an FMCG company at Pune. You have joined this job about 10 days ago. You have 5 marketing executives reporting to you. On reaching the office this morning, you get a phone from the mother of one of your executives, Suresh, that he has fallen sick and will not be coming to office. What will you do? Exercise 2. The situation is: you are working as HR executive in AB Cars, dealing in selling and servicing cars of a leading brand. You have joined AB Cars 3 years ago, immediately after your MBA. You have worked hard and expecting promotion this year. However, you were denied the promotion and were given reason of dull business. What will you do? Exercise 3. The situation is: you have a friend who is unemployed even after his graduation. You completed your graduation with him and got a job in a local bank. You spend almost 1 hour with him on weekdays and half a day during weekends. Your father does not like this friendship. What are your frames? What are the possible frames of your father? How will you convince your father? Exercise 4. The situation is: you are principal of a reputed high school. 2 days are left for annual examination. You get copies of question papers of Standard 9 from one of the parents. He informs that the question papers are available for ₹1,000 each. All papers match with the paper set and printed in-house by the school. What will you do? Exercise 5. The situation is: my lab colleague is senior to me in age, though both of us are of the same level within the department. Personally, I have no problem about working with him, but he is always trying to put me in my place by showing how knowledgeable he is. At the same time, he keeps on asking me for advice since I am more knowledgeable. What needs to be done by me in this situation? Exercise 6. The situation is: a lady manager reporting to me has been working with us since 8 years. She is married and also has a 6-year-old child. Recently I learnt that for the last 7 or 8 months she has been having an affair with a person from other department whose performance has dropped lately. This person is a bachelor, younger to her by 3 years, and in a cadre lower than hers. Many people are talking about this affair, yet I find that she is doing her job very well. What should I do? Exercise 7. The situation is, one of my colleagues recently went to the customer site because the latter's general manager had complained. Although my colleague tried to reason out with him and offer explanation, the general manager grew very angry. Subsequently, he sent a fax to our office, cancelling all the orders placed with us. What should we do now? Exercise 8. The situation is, you have joined ABC Limited as production manager 1 month ago. Today you get a call from Madhav, senior production executive, reporting to you. He wants to discuss his career prospect in the company. What will you do? Exercise 9. The situation is, you are manager of a zoo. You have joined the zoo 2 months ago. The zoo has a playground for children with a bouncy castle. Today is Sunday. Zoo starts at 10 in the morning. The supervisor phones you at 9:30 to inform that bouncy castle is slowly deflating. It is an old one and has been repaired 6 times in last 8 months. What will you do? Exercise 10. The situation is, you have a subordinate who is extremely capable and performs well. However, for last 2 months his attendance is very erratic. He has also lost concentration on job. On enquiring, you find that his mother is sick and suffering a fatal disease. What will you do? Visit www.youtube.com and search Magan Lal Patel for more videos on improving thinking skills the MM Patel way, concepts and exercises.